protect your inspiration and the sparkle in your eye at all costs. It's just two words, as simple as that sounds. And it speaks to something incredibly important, which is, first of all, you cannot inspire the world if you're de-inspired yourself. So it's protect your inspiration and the sparkle in your eye at all costs. And the second part of it is evolution, which is NSI, never stop improving. You know, I was reading an online newspaper, and in the comments section, the poster was knocking self improvement, and it made me think. You know, first of all, I believe that person has a bias, but secondly, hasn't civilization advanced because of people who wanted to honor their promise? I mean, self-improvement is one of the deepest instincts of the human heart, if we hear it. And so inspired evolution is, number one, protect your inspiration at all costs, especially in this very troubled yet still beautiful world that we live in. And then secondly, evolution, it's when it's easy, when it's hard, when it's sunny, when it's dark, when it's dangerous, when it's safe, keep on inspiring, keep on evolving.
Please share away. Thank you so much. Stay inspired to evolve.